Hey kids,
Coach M,
Coach Simmons.
and we are going to quickly talk about our Jag Jog event that's starting today and going into tomorrow. It's really fun. We do it every year. It's going to be a tad different this year, obviously, because of COVID. We're not all going to be on the same track on the baseball field. And I know kindergarten hasn't done it yet, so I'm just going to show you a quick diagram of what you're going to do. Now, there's 3 movements you can do when you get to your field or your track area. You can walk, you can jog, obviously, because that's a Jaguar jog, or you can run. Those are the 3 things you can do. Okay, so walk, jog is the medium pace, and run is the faster pace. The only thing we don't want you to do is stop, because you're going to be only on the track for 15 minutes, and then you'll go up and cool off with a cone of ice. Okay, so we're going to have 3 tracks out there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and there'll be 4 cones at each one. You can see I put an arrow on this one to show you that we're going to go in this direction around, and you're going to do as many laps as you can on your track.
So,
Okay.
Coach, if I'm walking, which direction do I go and where do I follow?
It's counterclockwise.
Mm-hmm.
And stay on your track. So we'll have them we're going to try to have them color coded so you'll know which cones to stay around. Okay, so that's how that's going to work with Jag Jog. And it'll be really fun. You'll be able to move around, walk, talk, jog, run with your class.
And then afterwards, don't I get to have Kona ice?
Kona ice, after you do your run, you cool off with that, and then you'll go back to class.
Mm-hmm. We hope you guys have fun. Your teachers will bring you out either today or tomorrow, okay? Put on your sunscreen. All right, kids, for today's lesson, we want you to dance along. Now that you know how to dance to Beyonce's Move Your Body, you're going to follow along with the video and dance on your own, okay? And then we're going to warm you up with some stretches, following an awesome lesson by a very fantastic coach from Down Under. You're going to participate in an animal challenge. You'll enjoy his accent. I know we do. So get your listening ears on, stay in your open space, and have fun moving.
Have fun!